Okay, boy, oh boy, do I have something for you guys. I found a company that makes over $2 billion a year, about $100 million a month, just from their e-commerce store. And this stuff is going crazy all over TikTok, Instagram, without spending a single dollar on paid ads. Now, if they can make over $100 million a month with e-com, going crazy all over social media, then why can't you make $1,000 a day? Today, I'm walking through the entire process, the product, the marketing, the website, and how it's going viral all over social media. You can literally replicate this process for yourself to go ahead and create your own e-commerce brand to go viral on social media without spending a single dollar on advertising at all. Now, recently, I've done this myself with my partner. This store did over $500,000 in sales without spending a single dollar on paid advertising. The profit margin was over 40%, since all we had to worry about was the product cost. We found the product, set up the website, immediately started making videos, and the thing exploded. Later on, I set up ads and exploded the brand even further and even exited the brand, but that's a story for another time. It's time to jump into the brand that's making over $100 million a month online and see exactly their marketing tactics and how you can implement it for your own e-commerce business. Now, this brand is none other than Crocs. I couldn't believe my eyes either, but Crocs generated over $2 billion in sales just in 2021. I can imagine what they did in 2022 with all this growth in social media. I'm guessing they did probably close to $3 billion and half of it online. Now, these are only estimates, but even if they made just a few $100 million, I mean, what would you do with a few $100 million? It's crazy to think about it that you can sell products like Crocs from your own laptop anywhere in the world. You don't have to be a Mr. CEO with 500-person team to make an e-commerce brand like this. Okay, maybe you do, but I think it's super inspiring what Crocs did, and I want to show you their marketing strategy. If you look up the word Crocs on TikTok, you can see there is tons and tons of videos that have millions and millions of views showing off the product. For example, this one. As you can see, people are making videos with their Crocs and showing different pieces that they put on the Crocs itself. Here's another video of someone using Crocs that got over 5 million views.
I'm sorry, I just need 1 minute to make sure I look good. Do you think I look good, Mr. Armstrong?
So what Croc recently did is started to implement these little pieces and glamour pieces that they can put on the product itself. Because they did this, it got everyone to start making videos of different things to put on the shoe itself. Check this out. Now, the reason why I had to change the music around or whatever my editor did is just because there was cursing in there. But these TikToks are actually great. I would enjoy watching these videos of people designing their own Crocs. If you look at the Crocs TikTok page, they have 5.4 million likes. So it's not actually their TikTok page getting most of the likes and views. It's other people posting their Crocs and designing them. But if you look at the page itself and you scroll down, a lot of these videos are absolutely going viral. Like this one right here. This is another thing that Crocs did. They started to design products that would get the attention of people on TikTok. For example, the top comment with 6,000 likes was this guy Tony, and he just said, why? And look what Crocs said, why not? Crocs is going crazy with all these cool types of products that are coming out right now that are going viral all over social media. Now, what can we learn from Crocs and how does this appeal to you? Something I learned from Crocs is how they do influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is getting influencers to promote your products. Sometimes you can even send out your product to influencers, have them make a video, post it on TikTok, even for free. You can give them a percentage of all sales if they go ahead and post the link in their bio. This is how I scaled one of my early e-commerce stores to a few $1,000s per day without spending any money at all. I literally opened up a Shopify website for $29, bought a domain, opened up a TikTok account, of course designed my website to be super nice, and then started to email influencers in my niche. What I was looking for was influencers between 1,000 to 100,000 followers, and I would go ahead and email them, message them on Instagram and TikTok, and tell them that I am an e-commerce owner and I sell these products, and I'd love to send them a free product in exchange. All they have to do is post a TikTok on the product, and they'll also receive 20% of all sales. Now remember, you need to make sure you have a clean looking brand. Your website can't look like a dropshipping store, and your Instagram or TikTok page needs to look nice. You can even pay someone to email influencers for you. I went to Upwork.com and paid someone literally $4 an hour to send 100 emails every hour. Well, maybe not 100, but it was a few hundred every single day at one point. We were going crazy. In fact, at one point we had so many emails, we couldn't even handle all of them. Literally getting people to promote our products for free. There's nothing better. Now, if you have a product that really captures the attention of your audience and screams wow, it can do very, very well. So keep that in mind when you're choosing a product. You want to find a product that you can send to influencers, they can make content, and they will go viral on their page. But if it's a boring, bland product, usually it doesn't do well, and usually influencers don't want to promote it at all. The cooler the product, the easier it is for the influencer to promote it. Plus, sometimes the product could be so cool, the influencer would love to promote it, because usually influencers just want their videos to go viral. Guys, I am not kidding you. I wasn't joking about Crocs. Look at the Crocs website. They literally have Trix cereal Crocs, they have Honey Nut Cheerios, Cinnamon Toast Crunch. This is absolutely crazy. They're creating all these different Crocs so it can go viral all over social media. People are literally posting these Crocs all over the place. TikTok, Instagram, you name it. They're getting free traffic and free sales. Going into the recession, you want to cut costs as much as you could. Obviously, if you're profitable spending ads, go ahead and keep running up your ads. But this is a great way to add extra revenue and profit into your store by going ahead and advertising products that people want to share around and that people scream, wow, this is a cool product. The cooler the product is, the more easier it will be for people to share it around. They're gonna want to tell their friends about it. They're gonna want to make videos about it. And this is what happens. Crocs made over $2 billion in 2021. And I haven't looked at the 2022 numbers, but I'm guessing they're probably at $3 billion just because of this strategy. If you enjoyed this video, I highly recommend you hit that subscribe button right down below, hit that like button, and if you have any questions, comments, or thankful things to say, message us in the comments below and I will get back to you.